So welcome all of you to this morning. And today we'll be discussing about a little bit about Canva, because when we are going towards digital marketing and working towards digital marketing, uh, making a digital marketer equipped with at least somehow a part of designing, part of development, part of I'm like other smaller stuffs, which helps a digital marketer to do it much better. So to work on it, we'll be discussing about Canva. Probably few among you might be aware of it, few might not be aware of it. So it doesn't matter. We'll be taking this right as a scratch that we are all at the same page and we don't know it. All right. So let's start. So how many of you are aware of Canva? Canva is a design tool. Probably it's available on mobile, it's available on laptop and other platforms as well. So maybe from CSE background, you guys are aware of, or anyone else who know Canva.
Yes, sir. I know Canva.
All right. So you're right. So I'll just start. So the moment we are talking about Canva, it's for others. We can. I think you guys are able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So in Google, you can type Canva, or you can straight away go to canva.com, and it will ask for your sign up. In case you want to sign up, you can sign up with your existing Google username password. You can continue with Facebook, you can continue with Mac if you have username password for that. Or if you don't want to continue with this, you can actually continue with using Google. So I'll be continuing because I have my account with Google, so I'll be continuing with that, and I'm going straight away as a login with Google. So it asks for the emails, what is available, and then you can directly log in, right? So once you log in over here, you will see that Canva has this kind of thing, that screen will appear like this. And it has lot of free templates which are available. It also carries pro version, which is professional version, paid version, but as of now we are talking about free version. And it carries lot of free stuff in it. And as we understand that digital marketing is all about branding, communication, positioning on all digital platforms to attract our customers, right? So keeping that in mind, we'll be working on creation of few of marketing collateral. And these marketing collateral could be right from logo till your flyer, your banner, your poster, your visiting card. So all of these things. So we'll be working towards that in a day or two, and then we'll be progressing to the next topic, right? So first and foremost thing that we will be talking today over here is we'll be trying to work in and around how to use Canva for those who are not aware of. Those who are aware of, they have to bear with us. Reason being, we have to take everyone's interest, right? So in first step, we have to work on creation of logo, right? So the moment we talk about logo, we can go over here in the search bar and search for logo. You will find a lot of templates which will be available, and we can actually work in and around that, right? So it carries professional version, it carries, so wherever you will find there is this crown which is there, wherever you'll find there is crown, it is pro version, whatever is free, it's written as free. So we can choose anything as whatever is available as free. Now, before we move forward, I would request all of you to identify the segment. I'm like, because we'll be working on the practical aspect of it during theory, and the practical, that will be combo kind of thing. So all of you identify a kind of business or something, that you can actually identify that what kind of practical aspect that you will be taking forward. Say, for example, if Aslam is there or Ghani is there, or say, for example, others are there, right? Salva is there, or Fatima is there, or Saif is there. So what I request that all of you identify one particular line of business for yourself for now till the time that we are doing this training program, or in which segment you want to make your, like if you want to start something of your own or something as on a conceptual level. So you can think on that line and keeping that as a fixed, identifying that as a fixed, we'll be starting from there. Say, for example, we as a Digitos is into digital marketing and web development plus training program, right? So I can identify a category which is related to IT services. Anyone else, say, for example, someone is there who is in the business of hand like pumps and all those kind of things, so probably he can think for that kind of manufacturing part. So you identify a name, and based on that you try to work around logo or marketing collaterals and all. So everyone among you identify. Say, for example, if you have a training institute, you can actually take that name and start creating on it. You want to start your gaming business, you can think of that name and then start working on it. So point number one is basically you need to identify what kind of business that you want to, or what kind of portfolio that we want to create, because we will be working on the logo, we will be working on flyers, we'll be working on other things as a designing part. Followed by that, we'll be working on creation of Facebook business pages, then Insta business account, Twitter business account, LinkedIn business accounts, and then followed by we'll be working on websites and then SEO of that particular website, right? So you identify some name for yourself, and then on that parameter we'll start working towards creation of that. So first and foremost thing, as I said, like for the logo, we can actually search for logo related to our or whatever you have chosen for, right? So if something over here, we can go to this search format, and either it's a beauty, business, fashion, whatever it is, so we can actually think for. So I'm going with the business and then can start working on that. So the one part is this, right? So we can start working on the blank part as well, but taking that, okay, fine, something which is available free of cost, something which is easy for us to make. I can browse through all these things and then identify something and then start working from there, right? Say, for example, this is computer shop, which is there, right? So I can take this and can make certain edit in this format. Just a minute. Right, so I can take this and then start working towards. All right, so this is logo which is available. There are other logos also that we can actually search for. Over here I can search for IT services, right? So a lot of other logos which are free that can also appear, right? But this is what I have chosen, so I can actually go and start editing it, right? So this is very simple as that. You are managing your PPT or you are making your Word document. So very basic kind of modifications which are there, right? So I can actually change this, I can actually edit it. I can write it the way that I want. And in case I want to change the color, or I want to do something, say here is the color change, I will choose this. I can change it to any other color. Right, so it's as simple as making any changes in your Word, PPT, or whatever you can say, right? So it's as simple as that. You can create many variations, but I'll request that being a logo for various purposes, it's better to consider 2D or plain logo rather than having an animation and all, because sometimes animated logo, putting it on the banners and all might not work out. So it's always better to have a plain and simple logo. You can create as you progress, as you expertise, you can create as better as possible. But for practice purpose, I'm taking it very simple, very simple, and then keeping it so that you guys can understand it and then proceed further. Right. So this is one part of it. In case I want to create some animation, I can create some animation in this as well. Right. So there are a lot of animations, there are a lot of options which are available. So I can put these things, I can put these variations, I can put some changes on it. So this is how this is one part of it. Or you want to create some other version of it, we can change this background as well in case we want to. Right. In case we want to add some other options of it, probably I'll go for some other version as well, and then try to see what is available. All these things are available in the pro version, because you can see all these are with the right. So I can try to identify what is available as the free. Say for example, this is available as free. I can also make certain changes in this, the way that I made changes in the first one. Right. So if I want to change this color, I can change this color. So these are very basic and very simple things, but yes. Right. So we can actually change these colors, and then we can actually work towards, right. So it all depends on which kind of color, what kind of things that we want to choose, and then accordingly we can work it out. You have zoom option at the bottom. So in case you feel any difficulty in terms of making some changes, you can zoom it out, and then you can actually make changes. Right. In case want to make the background color change or want to make some changes, animation and all. So a lot of options which are available at the top, we can actually work on it and then actually do these kind of animations, or we can actually work it out, right. So these are not only the options which are available over here, but this is one of the option which is there, right. So accordingly, but as I said, like, you can create various dynamism, you can create animation, you can create multi-more effects in it. The thing is, like, when we are starting from the scratch, I'll request that let's go with first version without making any changes in this, and then without making much changes in this, you can name it, you can आपको जो नाम डालना है आप वो नाम डाल सकते हैं, जैसे भी आपको करना है you can do it. So it all depends on what exactly you are trying to work it out and how you want to do it, right. तो आपको जैसे भी करना है उस हिसाब से आप कर सकते हैं, आपको जो भी नाम चूज करना है, जो भी मॉडिफाई करना है, so but you try to fix it one, and then in and around that you can create multiple logos, multiple version of that, and then identify the best one. One thing that while creating a logo, while creating a business logo, what we have to be sure about and what we have to consider, point number one is, like, it should be in such a format that even if you reduce to a very narrow side, very smaller size of logo, it should not distract. It should at least resemble what you are talking about and the kind of design that you have made. Sometimes you have to use it as an icon. Sometimes you have to use Facebook icon, or you have to use at some other places as well. So don't make very big logos, so that when you are reducing the size of it, it becomes cumbersome for you and it distorts. So again, you have to rework on the logo. So first and foremost thing is, like, something which has to be established. Now, the purpose of logo is very simple, that you start creating your identity. So something which is generic, doesn't carry any logo. Say for example, you go to a shopping mall, or you go to a kirana store and try to buy pulses, or try to buy any yes, specifically pulses. right? So you go and say like masoor dal hai ya fir tuar hai ya fir any gram, right? So you buy it in a kg where it doesn't carry any kind of grams, right? Slowly and slowly things have started coming up that still it has started coming in the branded format, but still lot of kirana store still sells in a loose format which doesn't carry any brand name, right? So something that you want something to be identified with any particular name, then you start working towards branding. So the moment branding comes, it has to start with the logo, right? So we have to work on logo in such a format that it resembles the business that you do, or at least it should be so unique that it can be identified that okay, fine, this is right. So that is the basic version of why we need a logo. So we can work it out, and once we are done, probably, say for example, I'm done with this. For example, if it is not fitting up, I'll reduce some size and then try to work it out. So it is 11 point something. So I'll make this okay. I can drag it, I can move it the way that we want, right? And then this also I can make a change, right? So you can make changes the way that you want. Say for example, I made this, and then I can download it in the format that I am interested in. Say for example, I created two versions of it. So I can download it, and here you will find there are many options which are available. So you can download it in JPG, PNG, and other formats. I will advise either to download it in PNG format, because PNG format is something which is transparent in the background, that we will come to know why it is important. CSC guys might be knowing about it, but anyways, for all, it is easy for us to put it on any kind of background that we can do. So for now, I'm just downloading it JPG format, and I'll download it, and that's how it will be available in my desktop or laptop or on my mobile, right? Good part with the Canva is that whatever designs that I'll be making, it will be available in Canva. You go to home, you click on all your designs, and then you'll be able to find. So I just worked on first design, which is there. So the moment I will open it, it will open the design that I have created. So it will open the design. So nothing is going to get deleted unless until you delete it, right? So all your designs, whatever you are making, will be saved in your my design part, and that is first and foremost thing that we worked on. So you can design any food and restaurant logos if you want to. So we can search for various kind of, so I search for restaurant logos. There are various kind of restaurant logos which are there. If I will work, if I want beauty salon to be done, you will find various logos which are available, and then you can identify any of the logo, and then you can start working in and around. It's not mandatory that you can only work on this. You can create your own design as well, but thing is like this looks little easy for starters, for people who are not technocrats, so they can easily utilize this particular platform and create something of their need. So first activity over here is that uh, all of you, when we will be meeting tomorrow, I will be continuing, but just narrating it. When we will be meeting tomorrow, you have to come up with a couple of versions of logo. Everyone among you have to come with that using Canva. you might be knowing other software and all, so I wanted you guys to use Canva and create logo of the kind of business that you want to think for during this 6 weeks of time frame. Right, so think on that and then create a logo. So 2 versions of logo that everyone among you have to create. Now the moment we go on to the next, second is like on the similar ground, we have to work towards some of the marketing collaterals, right, where we have posters, we have flyers, we have infographics, brochures, newsletters, and proposals. What we'll be working on, we'll be working on some kind of posters or the flyers. So let's go to the flyer, and then we can identify templates related to us. So for example, related to business or related to marketing, I'll look for marketing, because we are actually, digital marketing is basically a marketing company. So I can look for any kind of marketing collateral, and then based on that, we can actually create some, customize these things, and then can work on it. Right. So second thing that we have to work on, marketing flyers related to IT products. For me, you can create the way that you want. I'm just using it for a sample case. You can do based on your interest. I just search for digital marketing flyer, and you will get lot of things which are available over here. I can choose whatever is free. There are a lot of good designs which are paid, but let's opt for something which is readily available as a free. For example, this is available as free. I'll choose this. The moment you choose it, it will ask for take this and then customize this template. Right, so I can start customizing this template, and more or less, as you can see that I'll zoom it little bit. मैं थोड़ा सा इसको zoom करता हूँ, so that आप लोगों को देखना इसमें आसान होगा. Okay, so you can see here is a place for the logo. So the logo that you have to create, that we have created, you will be inserting it over here, and then followed by that, whatever the messaging that we want to put in, that will be putting it. We can change this image as well. In case you want to change this image, you can change this image. If you have some image available at your desktop, you want to insert that, probably yes, you can insert that. Now यहाँ पे एक चीज आता है कि जैसे आपने लोगो डिजाइन किया और लोगो को आपने अपने डेस्कटॉप पे डाउनलोड कर लिया. Now you want to use that logo over here. So what we have to do, any component that we want to upload, we can upload it, but for that what we have to do, we have to use the component which is called upload, which is available at extreme left corner. मुमकिन है आप लोगों को दिखाई दे रहा होगा, यहाँ पे ये जो टेम्पलेट है, यहाँ पे एक अपलोड का बटन है. राइट, सो अपलोड के बटन पे जाके जब आप अपलोड मीडिया क्लिक करेंगे, so whatever the logos, whatever the things that is available, you can upload. Say for example, this is a logo this is a name which is available on my desktop. I'm just uploading it, and the moment I want to use this logo, I will just double click it and it has came. So wherever I want to place it, resize it and do it, I can do that and place it. जहाँ पे भी मुझे इसे place करना है, मैं जाके वहाँ पे place कर सकता हूँ. I can just drag and put it the way that I want, or put it the place where I want. Right? Say for example, this is the logo I want to put in. मैं यहाँ पे place करना चाहता हूँ, तो मैं क्या करूँगा, पीछे के जो भी components है उसको मैं delete कर दूंगा. Right? So this got placed. Right? तो ये place हो गया. अगर ये image आपको change करना है, तो आप इस इमेज को भी चेंज कर सकते हैं. मैं यहाँ पे डिलीट क्लिक करूंगा, ये डिलीट हो जाएगा. कंट्रोल जेड, अगेन इट इज बैक. और इफ आई वांट टू चेंज इन प्लेस ऑफ दिस, आई वांट टू यूज सम अदर लोगो, सम अदर इमेज, आई कैन एक्चुअली डू दैट. उसी तरह से हमको करना होगा कि हम जो है इसमें जाएंगे, अपने अपलोड में जाके अपलोड मीडिया करके, और जो भी बैनर या जो भी कोई चीज अगर हमने बनाया हुआ है उसको अगर हमें इंसर्ट करना है, तो हम उसको इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, there is something called one image which is there. I just want to use that image, so I have taken it from my desktop and then uploaded it. So got it. So what I can do, I can actually resize this image and place it जहाँ पे भी हमें place करना है. अब तो सबसे पहले चीज आपको ये करना है कि आपको अपने लोगो को आइडेंटिफाई करना है, लोगो बनाना है. उसके बाद जो जिस चीज के कॉन्सेप्ट के ऊपर आप काम करना चाहते हैं उस चीज को आपको थोड़ा सा वर्कआउट करके उसका इमेज या उसका कुछ फ्लायर, उसका कोई चीज आप बना लेंगे और उस हिसाब से आप करेंगे, राइट। अगर ये कट करना है, ज्यादा करना है, जैसे भी करना है, दैट यू कैन ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप, राइट। सो not to waste much of your time or not to spend lot of your time in doing all these things, I suggest that for now at a starting level you can actually use the ready-made templates which are available, and you can make customization of that. Here it is written take your business to the next level. I can actually add the text that I want to make your business stronger digitally. For example, I wanted this to be there, make your business stronger digitally. Right? If you want to make any change in this color, we can do that. We have already seen that way. Right? ठीक है, इस टेक्स्ट को अगर हमें चेंज करना है तो हम इसको चेंज कर सकते हैं, particularly वो particular text, so it got changed. Okay? इसी तरह से आप your digital marketing agency, यहाँ पे कुछ और आपको लिखना है, though it is digital marketing agency but it is mapping up, so हम इसके font को छोटा कर सकते हैं, बड़ा कर सकते हैं, जैसे भी करना चाहें हम इसको कर सकते हैं, right? And then make sure that at any marketing flyer or any marketing business collateral, that is what we are trying to work on, it should carry your call to action button. That means to say, either it should take you to any website, or you have your phone number available, or you have any other call to action. You want people to reach out on email or on website or on call, so you should mention that, and that make sure that that is there. So initially, if you don't have a website, and when we are practicing right now, need not to put website. If you have, it's good. If you don't have, then we can just put call to action as our phone number, right, or your WhatsApp thing. Now, say for example, over here I want to insert some icon, right? So what I'll do, I'll go to elements and then try to identify what kind of elements which are available. So this is basically phone number or WhatsApp. So I will search for WhatsApp icon, and I can insert that WhatsApp icon over here. इसको हम रीसाइज कर लेंगे, छोटा कर लेंगे, और उसके बाद हम इसको जहां पे भी हमको प्लेस करना है वहां पे हम प्लेस कर सकते हैं. You can choose the appropriate one based on your need. You can choose that, but just for the sake of example, I have kept it. ठीक है, आप इसके अंदर कुछ एनिमेशन डालना है वो एनिमेशन डाल सकते हैं, जैसे भी आपको करना है आप कर सकते हैं. that is not a big deal, right? You want to add email ID and you want to add an icon. Say for example, I want to put, along with this, I want to put some more text, which format is not available over here. So what I'll do, I'll go to text. I can add headline, I can add subline, or I can add thinner lines as well. Say for example, over here I want to add something, so I just kept it like this, which is an email ID that I want to add over here. So I'll just write my email ID, right? And this font is quite bigger, so I can reduce it. That anyway we know इसको reduce कैसे करना है, that we can reduce it, and then accordingly we can place it the way that it is. phone number जिस size में है, जैसा है, उसको हम उस size में बना के हम इसको place कर सकते हैं, right? We can change the color. यहाँ पे भी मुझे एक दूसरा icon डालना है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, एलिमेंट्स में जाके ईमेल का आइकॉन हम सर्च कर लेंगे. सो वॉट एवर बी द काइंड ऑफ आइकॉन दैट यू वांट टू पुट इन, और जैसा भी आप करना चाह रहे हैं आपको वो ऑप्शन मिल जाता है, और आप उस चीज को प्लेस कर सकते हैं. जैसे ये आइकॉन यहाँ पे आ गया, मैं इसको यहाँ पे प्लेस करना चाहता हूँ, इसको रीसाइज कर लूंगा, जो भी मुझे साइज में चाहिए मैं उसको रीसाइज करके, विच इज गुड इन लुक एंड फील, उसको आइडेंटिफाई करते हुए हम इसको छोटा करके अपने पास प्लेस कर सकते हैं। Let's say, for example, I made this. You want to make any further modifications, you can do that. ये यहाँ पे ओवरलैप हो रहा है तो हम इसके साइज को थोड़ा सा कम करना चाहें हम कम कर सकते हैं, बढ़ाना चाहें बढ़ा सकते हैं, या इसके साइज को हम कम कर सकते हैं। Whatever is convenient for you, you can do that. And then you can see the outcome of it. और इसको फिर आप डाउनलोड करके आप देख सकते हैं कि ये कैसा लुक एंड फील में कैसा आएगा। और भी कोई कंपोनेंट, कोई इमेज, कोई भी चीज आप डालना चाहें आप उसको डाल सकते हैं। एंड देन फाइनली से फॉर एग्जांपल इफ दिस इज डन, probably I can actually download this. ये हमारा JPG फॉर्मेट में है, या JPG फॉर्मेट में हम इसको चाहें तो हम इसको डाउनलोड कर लेंगे। और इसको डाउनलोड करने के बाद हम यहाँ से अपने इस बैनर को यूज कर सकते हैं, राइट। सो आई हैव डाउनलोडेड दिस which is available now on my desktop and I can utilize it anywhere. So this is what I try to make is one flyer having some components. You can create it. You can create it and then you can actually proceed further, right? So this is second component. That's what we are trying to work on. So एक सबसे पहले हमें काम करना है अपने लोगो के ऊपर, दूसरा हमें काम करना है अपने फ्लायर के ऊपर, that you can make it the way that it is. I just try to use various components. यहाँ वहाँ यूज करते हुए आपको कंपोनेंट कैसे यूज करना है उसके बारे में मैंने बताया। you can fine tune it to the best possible way. मैंने अगर रफ बनाया है doesn't mean that you guys also work on the rough format. You try to work it out little better format so that we can utilize these things while we are moving forward. तो ये दो चीज हुआ। तीसरा चीज एक और जो हमें काम करना है, तीन चार चीजें हैं जो कि कैनवा को यूज करते हुए हमको क्रिएट करना है बिफोर वी आर मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट, राइट। सो एक तो ये हो गया कि हम लोगों के ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं, दूसरा ये है कि हमारा कोई फ्लायर होगा, तीसरी जो चीज है वो आप बिजनेस कार्ड्स, जो कि अपने बिजनेस कार्ड्स बना सकते हैं। Right, so based on your requirement, based on your industry, based on your thing, actually आप इसको आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं। आप सिंगल साइड वाले को भी यूज कर सकते हैं, डबल साइड वाले को भी यूज कर सकते हैं। देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स विच आर अवेलेबल, you identify it and then you do it. So things that we have to work on is logo, flyer, and then third thing is your business card. बिजनेस कार्ड के अंदर भी वैसे ही जो कैनवा का नॉर्मल प्रोसेस है उसी के हिसाब से हम इसको चेंज कर सकते हैं, राइट। बट आप इसके कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस को चेंज करते हुए आपको जैसे भी यूज करना है वैसे आप यूज कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। मैं यहाँ पे अपने जो भी चीज़ें हैं, अब @ इन द सेंस ये ट्विटर का हो सकता है। अगर मैं ट्विटर यूज़ करना चाहता हूँ तो ठीक है, नहीं यूज़ करना चाहता हूँ तो कुछ और अगर मेरा है तो मैं उस चीज़ को यूज़ कर लेता हूँ, ठीक है। ओके, यहाँ पे फ़ोन नंबर का ऑप्शन। सो आई एम लाइक, इट्स नॉट ओनली दैट आई कैन जस्ट एडिट इट, आई कैन एक्चुअली मेक इट द वे दैट वी वांट। I created it over here. I can put in the logo that we have. Say, for example, I want to insert my logo over here. And what I'll do, one logo that I have kept in, for example, this is a logo which I have downloaded. I can put in over the place wherever I want. आपको जहाँ पे भी लोगों के प्लेसमेंट के लिए आपको इजी लगे आप इस लोगो को प्लेस कर सकते हैं एंड देन यू कैन यूटिलाइज इट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं ये ऐसे है, ऐसे की जगह पे ही मैं इस लोगो को यूज करना चाहता हूँ, तो मैं इस लोगो को कंपोनेंट से उठा के जो भी अपलोड किए हैं उसको उठा के मैं यहाँ पे ये कर सकता हूँ. अगर मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए तो मैं इस तरह से यू कर सकता हूँ, राइट. So this is how one part of business card is being done. और background change करना है, so all of us know we can actually choose the kind of background that we want. ये यहाँ पर से जाके हम change कर सकते हैं जैसे भी है, whatever the available colors which you have. If you have any other color combination you can do that. ठीक है, तो कैसे भी हम इसको change करना चाहें हम इसको change कर सकते हैं. So that is how it is, right. सो अगर हम देखें यहाँ पे, अगर हमको कंपनी नेम डालना है, जो भी करना है, तो आप एडिट कर लिए. इसी के दो फॉर्मेट्स हैं. कुछ जो विजिटिंग कार्ड्स हैं, प्रिंट विजिटिंग बिजनेस कार्ड, अगर मैं इस फॉर्मेट में जाता हूँ तो अलग फॉर्मेट है. यहाँ पे मैं सीधा इसको डाउनलोड कर लेता हूँ. मैं चाहूँ तो पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में, जो कि प्रिंटेबल फॉर्मेट होता है, उसके अंदर सजेशन हो सकता है, या फिर हम नॉर्मल जेपीजी फॉर्मेट में इसको फॉर नाउ हम डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. So whatever you are creating it, try to download and put a proper name and then download it. Right? उस तरह से करने से ये होगा कि जब हम यूज कर रहे होंगे, जिस वक्त हमको यूज करने की जरूरत पड़ेगी, उस वक्त हम बड़ी आसानी से इन चीजों को यूज कर पाएंगे. ठीक है. थर्ड इंपॉर्टेंट चीज ये है कि जो कि हम करना चाह रहे हैं, जो कि हमको ये करना है कि जितने भी सोशल मीडिया, आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे टेम्पलेट्स पे जब जाएंगे तो आपको सोशल मीडिया, यू विल फाइंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ टेम्पलेट्स अवेलेबल फॉर सोशल मीडिया, फॉर फेसबुक कवर्स, फॉर यूट्यूब कवर्स, for your personal branding, for your other branding purpose and all. You will find lot of banners, lot of cover pages, lot of banners which are available. So based on that we can actually identify it, do it, and then modify it, right. Okay, so I'll pause for a couple of few moments over here, and then maybe we'll continue because we have still some more time which are left, right. So for now, whatever I'm trying to make you guys understand, is it okay? I understand that few of you guys might be knowing it, so for them it could be boring, but for others who are not aware of it, are you guys able to understand what I'm trying to communicate, or the way that I want to demonstrate?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So out of all of you, probably say, for example, when I asked for who all know Canva, one or two guys said, but the say, for example, you guys said like who are able to understand and all. Had you guys been aware of this particular platform, or this is the first time that you have heard of?
Yeah, this is the first time I heard of.
Okay.
First time.
Fine.
All these, sir, I'm fan.
Yeah.
All these days I was thinking that there is something called Corel Draw on which we do all this, and when I went to download it, it was like very expensive, so I left it. I mean, I didn't know that this is something for that easy. I mean,
like you thought for you thought for any kind of thing. Say, for example, I'll showcase. You thought for a business presentation. You thought for like you want to create a proposal. You want to create any kind of thing. You need not to. I'm like, what I feel that if you spend few hours on this Canva, then you probably, unless until you don't need extreme designed stuff, you don't need a designer dependency, and you can manage your show using this particular platform. And if you are using it pro version, which is very cheaper, it doesn't cost you much as well, though it is monthly recurring thing. But if you are in this, or you want to use it, probably it got so many professional versions, pro versions available, that you will animated presentation, or even you get 2D videos that you can actually edit it and then create with your name or with your stuff. So all these things, I'm like, I'll again go back to Canva, and then we'll try to showcase the kind of template it is. Say, for example, Christmas days are coming up. You can actually find out lot of Christmas greetings, lot of cards, lot of flyers, lot of things which are available. Just customize it and keep it on your WhatsApp status or Facebook stories or wherever you want to. So all these things are available in such a beautiful format that you won't imagine. Now, if you go to template, and if I want to search for, here you can say presentations, you can see presentations. I can look for presentation, whatever be the kind of presentation that I want, right? Talking presentation, you have mobile first presentation, you have other presentations, right? Say for example, I take a presentation, normal presentation, right? And here also you will find a lot of free stuffs which are available. All these, whatever you are, I'm like, in this sorting also you will get to know there is something called free. Price में जाके आप free choose कर लीजिए, so only free things will be available. So आपको confusion भी नहीं है क्या है. I can choose based on my industry. I can choose what kind of template that I want to use, and then start working towards it, right? So आप presentation आप identify कर सकते हो, आप video based presentation identify कर सकते हो. For example, अगर मैं ये वाला presentation लेके और इसको अगर मैं customize कर रहा हूँ, so all these themes will be available and you can actually make your presentation, right? ये जितना है, अगर मैं इसको choose करके apply all 20 pages, so all 20 pages will be available over here. ये देखिए आपके सारे के सारे pages आपके यहाँ पे available हो गए, and then you can start working on what you want. जो भी आपको करना है ये कर लीजिए, presentation outline, business outline, everything, and finally ये आप इसको download कर दीजिए. और still if I want to go in the present format, it will start showing, right? So hope my screen is visible to all of you, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. तो ये इतना simple है sir कि I'm like everyone, because few of you guys are in final year, few of you are from management background, right? So you might be needing all these things on a very frequent basis. So this is, if you expertise yourself on this, probably I don't feel that it's required to go for any other platform to check the format, free templates and other things. You just start working on this Canva and then you'll be good to go. Related to anything, it's not only this presentation, but for other things also you can do that. Now,
Sir, yes, I'm also aware of Canva, and it's a very good platform for resume making also.
good,
I've actually used it, so I know about it.
right? So that is, yeah.
I didn't know that. I mean, few of my MBA students, the pass outs,
Hmm.
always ask me like, where do we make the resume?
Mhm.
So that's
No,
a good
here also,
information.
yes. Yeah, here also there. I'm like, that's what I'm saying. I'm like, you just want to see CV, search for CV, you will get professional version, or so a lot of things which are available. You can just think for a template and then it is available, right? So personal, right? So personal invitation, you have resume, you have postcards, weekly T-shirts, print. I'm like, so if you see resume versions which are also available, you can identify a lot of good templates which are available over here, and then based on your requirement, based on your color combination choice, you can just do that. So that is one of the important. I'm like, being a digital marketer, most of the time we say that this is a little bit of a designing part. So this is for, we need a designer's help. This is something of a little bit of coding part. We need coders help. So interest of mine interest is at least to make you self-sustainable, so that at least you can run the show. Unless until you don't need expertise service, you can run the show based on using all these tools, and then you can manage your stuff, and then you can do that. Now all these things are required on day-to-day basis. I'm like, you need various creatives, you need infographics to be written. So things are available, right? So moving forward, what I will say, so we try to work it out on logo, flyer, and business card. Third,
I have a question, sir.
yeah, please.
Sir, while making a logo, if we have a unique product and we want to make a product on the as an icon on the logo,
Right.
how can we do that?
So if you have a unique product and you must have made it, right? You have already done that icon, or you want to create that icon?
No, I want to create that icon.
So there is something called blank template which is available. You can use that and then do that, but more or less this platform is for customizing things, right? If you want to create some animated some stuff, then probably you have to use it for any other platforms or take the help of Unique Designer. But apart from that, in case, say for example, I want to create logo, if I want to create logo, I can create it as well, but create a blank. Here you can work it out the way that you want. जो भी आपको बनाना है, आप यहाँ पे इमेज इंसर्ट कर सकते हो, आपके लोगों का जो भी आपके प्रोडक्ट का जो इमेज है या जो भी है, आप उसके अंदर कुछ इफेक्ट डालना चाह रहे हो, यू कैन डू दैट. बट मोर और लेस दिस प्लेटफॉर्म इज टू कस्टमाइज द स्टफ व्हाट इज अवेलेबल.
Okay, sir, got it.
Right? Okay, so next thing that I request you guys to spend some time and work on is basically a invitation, business invitation. Right now, why I'm saying invitation, now you can understand the way that I'm progressing. Logo एक बनाना है, फिर flyer बनाना है, business card बनाना है. So you establish your business. Now you are inviting people on opening of that particular business or starting of that particular business. So that is the fourth thing that I wanted you guys to create, and then based on that we can proceed, right? So आपको क्या करना है, इसके templates को identify करना है, और फिर business invitations हैं उसको आपको identify करके and then you have to work towards that. Okay, तो और जितना भी हम ये डिजाइन बना रहे हैं, ये हमारा सारा डिजाइन all your designs में सेव है. यानी जितने भी डिजाइन हमने बनाए हैं वो सारा का सारा, अभी जैसे अननेम्ड डिजाइन भी मैंने बनाया है तो वो सेव है, और हम इसको चाहें तो हम इसको नाम दे सकते हैं, जो भी हम नाम देना चाहें वो दे सकते हैं, and then this will be available in that format. इस तरह से आप जब ये कर लेते हैं तो आपके पास सेव रहता है, एंड देन नथिंग विल गो वेस्ट, एवरीथिंग विल बी सेव, राइट? तो नेक्स्ट चीज जो आपको करना है वो ये है कि हमें एक बिजनेस इनविटेशन क्रिएट करना है. ठीक है, वो आप टेम्पलेट में जाके बिजनेस के ऊपर भी, बिजनेस में जब जाएंगे आप तो आप वहां पर से भी आप आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. ओके, मार्केटिंग में हम जाके वहां पे हम देख सकते हैं, बहुत सारे टेम्पलेट्स हैं हमारे, पोस्टर, फ्लायर्स, बिजनेस कार्ड, ब्रांड लोगोज, ब्लॉग बैनर्स, ये सारे फॉर्मेट्स हमारे पास अवेलेबल हैं. यू हैव वेरियस सर्टिफिकेट्स फॉर्मेट्स दैट यू कैन क्रिएट. ठीक है, तो अब एक पोस्टर जो कि इनविटेशन हो सकता है, जैसा भी हो सकता है, उस फॉर्मेट में हमें एक पोस्टर के ऊपर काम करना है, कोई भी, राइट? सो यू फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट थिंग जो कि मैं बार बार ये कह रहा हूँ कि आप सबके लिए ये है, आपने कुछ ना कुछ सोच रखा होगा, जो मैनेजमेंट में है उन्होंने भी कुछ ना कुछ सोचा होगा. जॉब एक चीज रहता है, बट इफ यू वांट टू स्टार्ट समथिंग ऑफ योर ओन, या फिर सीएससी के स्टूडेंट्स होंगे या फिर दूसरे जो और भी ज्वाइनीज हैं, तो ये लोग आप अपने बिजनेस से रिलेटेड कुछ ना कुछ आइडेंटिफाई करके उसके बाद आप इसको क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो अगर अभी जैसे क्रिसमस का टाइम आ रहा है, कोई आप पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं, कुछ और कर रहे हैं, या कोई ऑफर क्रिएट करना चाह रहे हैं, सो यू कैन यूज दीज प्लेटफॉर्म्स and can start working towards that. तो अब हमको क्या करना है, 4 चीजें हम लोगों को रेडी करना है. एक लोगो, दूसरा फ्लायर, तीसरा बिजनेस कार्ड, और चौथा हमारा कोई ये जो हमने अभी ले रखा है, ठीक है, कोई पोस्टर है वो हम बनाएंगे. ठीक है, तो ये 4 चीजें जो है आप लोगों को बनाना है रिलेटेड टू योर बिजनेस, एंड देन एवरीवन ऑफ यू हैव टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेट. Tomorrow sharing your screen, will be giving it share screen option to you guys, and then you will be demonstrating it what you have done. We'll request not to post on the group, because group में post करने के बाद क्या है कि आप क्या किए हो, कैसे किए हो, उसका आइडेंटिफिकेशन थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाता है. So but you can save it on your mobile or your desktop, because then you will be using it, creating it, some other things you require it. तो ये 4-5 चीजें हैं जो कि आपको क्रिएट करना है, बनाना है, और फिर उसके बाद कल आप लोगों को इन चीजों के साथ आना है. सो यू गाइस हैव टू वर्क ऑन दीज 4 थिंग्स एंड देन हैव टू कम बैक, डेमोन्स्ट्रेट इट, एंड देन वी विल बी मूविंग फॉरवर्ड टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, बिकॉज वी आर हैविंग फ्यू मोर थिंग्स, लाइक फेसबुक का कवर पेज का डायमेंशन होता है, फेसबुक का आइकॉन होता है, या फिर इंस्टाग्राम का डायमेंशन है, लिंक्डइन का डायमेंशन है, तो हम कैनवा के प्लेटफॉर्म को अभी अपने आप को रेडीनेस के लिए, चूंकि कैनवा को खत्म करने के बाद, फिनिश करने के बाद हम फेसबुक की तरफ मूव करेंगे। तो मैं जो आप लोगों को बता रहा हूँ ये रेडीनेस टुवर्ड्स फेसबुक मार्केटिंग के लिए। तो आप लोग अगर इन चीजों को तैयार कर लेते हैं तो हमारे लिए फेसबुक का जो टॉपिक होगा वो थोड़ा सा आसान हो जाएगा, बिकॉज यू विल बी हैविंग रेडीमेड थिंग्स अवेलेबल एंड वी कैन वर्क इट आउट। ठीक है, any questions from your side? I'm ready to answer, guys.
Sir,
Yeah,
the 4 things that you asked us to create is, one is a visiting card.
logo.
Yeah. Okay.
First one is logo, second is flyer, third is visiting card, fourth one is the poster.
Okay, fine, sir.
4 things.
Okay.
Clear to you guys? सबको clear है? सैफ, अदीबा, फातिमा, अब्दुल्ला, असलम, everyone is clear? गनी?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? तो थोड़ा सा
Yes,
राइट,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
मुमकिन है आप लोग बहुत अच्छा जानते होंगे, लेकिन थोड़ा सा अगर बना के ले आएंगे, इफ यू गाइस विल वर्क ऑन, अ गुड पार्ट इज इट इज अवेलेबल ऑन मोबाइल एज वेल। तो अगर आपके पास लैपटॉप किसी वजह से अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं है या नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, तो आप मोबाइल पे भी आप ऐप को डाउनलोड करके ट्राई कर सकते हैं। बट ऑफ कोर्स ऑल ऑफ अस नो कि लैपटॉप पे हम थोड़ा सा वाइडर वर्क कर सकते हैं, मोबाइल पे थोड़ा सा टफ हो जाता है, बट स्टिल यू कैन मैनेज। और जो काम आप मोबाइल पे कर रहे हैं वो चीज डेस्कटॉप पे भी जब आप ओपन करेंगे वो सिंक्रोनाइज रहेगा। तो डेटा लॉस का कोई थ्रेट नहीं है, इसलिए आप उसको चाहे मोबाइल पे करें चाहे डेस्कटॉप पे करें, लेकिन करें। ठीक है, ऑल राइट,
Okay, sir.
ऑल राइट गाइस, सी यू टुमारो देन। नहीं, टुमारो तो हमारा सैटरडे और संडे ऑफ है, तो विल बी मीटिंग अगेन ऑन मंडे, सो यू गेट 2 more days। तो आपको जितना करना है आप उतना कर सकते हैं, देन विल रिव्यू इट ऑन मंडे, राइट।
Okay, sir.
in case अगर कोई क्वेश्चन है, कुछ ऐसा है, तो ग्रुप अवेलेबल है, यू गाइस कैन पोस्ट अ क्वेश्चन, as and when I'll get free time I'll answer on that, so that's not an issue। ठीक है,
Okay, sir.
all right guys, see you on Monday then, take care,
Allah Hafiz.
love,
Thank you, sir.
thank you।